All right, let's look at a different kind of problem where we're actually looking at a total number and taking a group of that number out of it to see how much is left in the other group. We've seen lots of these types of problems in the past, so it should be a little bit easier, but I just wanted to review it quickly. There are 14 dogs at the dog park. There are 6 black dogs. The rest are brown. How many brown dogs are at the dog park? Let's read it again and really think through what it's teaching us. There are 14 dogs at the dog park. There are 6 black dogs. The rest are brown. How many brown dogs are at the dog park? Well, I'm going to start out by plugging in the two numbers that I do know. First, it says there are 14 dogs at the dog park. I know that's my whole because it's telling me that those are all of the dogs there. So I'm going to put it up in the top of my number bond. This is the model I've chosen to use for this type of story problem. I'm going to do a number bond and I'm going to add a little bit of drawing into it too. So there's 14 dogs at the dog park. Then my problem says that there are 6 black dogs. You'll see that I labeled this box black dogs. So I'm going to write the number 6 there because that's the number of black dogs according to my story problem. Now the story problem is asking me to find out how many brown dogs there are. So I have two choices. I could either draw 14 dogs and take 6 out of them, or I could start with the number 6 and draw circles until I get to all 14 dogs. That's what I'm going to do today is start with 6 and draw until I get to 14. So putting 6 in my brain and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I stop at 14 because my 6 black dogs plus the brown dogs should make 14 dogs in all, no more and no less. Now I can easily see from my model how many brown dogs there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it looks like I've found my answer using my model. So I'm going to complete my number bond, and I'm going to write an equation and a sentence to show my answer. So 6 black dogs plus 8 brown dogs equals 14 dogs in all. There are 8 brown dogs. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is a great process to use to help you to have a model to help you solve the problem.